As someone who loves cooking at home, I know how crucial it is to have the right tools in the kitchen. I bought and tested 5 of the best rice cookers out there specifically for brown rice, so you don't have to waste your money on products that don't deliver. Let's dive into these cookers and find out which one is the best. Product number 1, Cosori Rice Cooker 10 Cup. When I first unboxed the Cosori rice cooker, I was taken aback by its sleek design and sturdy build. This cooker has a ceramic inner pot that not only looks good, but is also non-stick, making cleanup a breeze. With 18 functions at your fingertips, I was excited to test its versatility, especially for brown rice. Cooking brown rice can often be tricky due to its longer cooking times and need for precise water ratios, but this cooker has a fuzzy logic feature that adjusts the cooking time and temperature based on the type of rice being used. Using the Cosori was an enjoyable experience. I poured in the rinsed brown rice, added water according to the pre-marked lines in the pot, and selected the brown rice function. The cooker beeped, and I waited eagerly. About 45 minutes later, I opened the lid to reveal perfectly cooked, fluffy brown rice. The aroma filled my kitchen, and it was a delightful sight. Pros: the non-stick ceramic pot is a standout feature. It allows food to slide out effortlessly, making it easy to serve. The 24-hour keep warm function is another major plus, ensuring your rice stays warm and ready to serve whenever you need it. On the downside, I did find the price point a bit high compared to other models, but the performance justifies it. Product number 2, Comfy Compact Rice Cooker. I stumbled upon the Comfy Compact Rice Cooker while searching for something that wouldn't take up too much space in my kitchen. This little powerhouse is a 6-in-1 multi-cooker, which was surprising given its compact size. I had my doubts about whether it could handle brown rice, but I was eager to put it to the test. The first thing I noticed was how user-friendly it was. It comes with 6 one-touch programs, so I simply pressed the button for brown rice and let it do its thing. In about 30 minutes, I was greeted with a steaming pot of perfectly cooked brown rice. The rice had a lovely, chewy texture and was well hydrated. Pros: the compact size is fantastic for small kitchens, and it can cook up to 8 cups of cooked rice. It's also affordable, which makes it accessible for anyone on a budget. However, the smaller capacity might not be suitable for larger families. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, compact, and efficient rice cooker that handles brown rice like a champ, the Comfy is an excellent choice. It's perfect for individuals or small families who want delicious rice without the fuss. Product number 3, Aroma Digital Rice Cooker. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker caught my eye with its shiny stainless steel exterior and multiple cooking options. I was particularly intrigued by its 7 automated controls, which promised to make cooking not just rice, but meals like oatmeal and risotto as well. I decided to test it out with brown rice, and I was pleasantly surprised by the results. Setting it up was straightforward. I added the rinsed brown rice, filled it with water, and selected the brown rice option. The built-in steamer function allowed me to throw in some vegetables on top while the rice cooked, making it a one-pot meal. After about 45 minutes, the rice was fluffy and the veggies were perfectly steamed. Pros: the steamer function is a game changer for meal prep, and the 15-hour delay timer is great for planning meals ahead. The price is also very reasonable for the features it offers. On the flip side, the manual could be clearer, especially for first-time users. Why buy it? If you want a versatile cooker that not only makes excellent brown rice, but also allows you to prepare complete meals, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker is a fantastic option. It's well suited for those who appreciate convenience and versatility in cooking. Product number 4, Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker. The Toshiba Origin Taste Rice Cooker is marketed as a fuzzy logic cooker, and I was curious to see if it lived up to that claim. This model comes with 15 cooking functions, making it versatile enough for different rice types and cooking methods. I decided to put it to the test with brown rice, and what I found was quite impressive. After loading the brown rice and water into the non-stick inner pot, I selected the brown rice setting. The digital display was easy to read, and within minutes, it started working its magic. The cooker used its fuzzy logic technology to adjust cooking times and temperatures, and it did a remarkable job. In about 50 minutes, I unveiled a pot of perfectly cooked brown rice, each grain distinct and fluffy. Pros: its multiple functions are excellent for variety, and the digital display adds a modern touch. The Auto Keep Warm feature ensures your rice is ready when you are. However, the larger size might not be ideal for those with limited counter space. Why buy it? If you're looking for a rice cooker that offers advanced technology and versatility, the Toshiba Origin Taste is a solid choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to explore different rice types and cooking styles. Product number 5, the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker is perfect for those who need something small yet powerful. This little gem can cook up to 3 cups uncooked rice, making it ideal for singles or couples. I was eager to see how it would handle brown rice, so I set everything up. The one-touch cooking feature made it incredibly easy to use. After measuring my rice and adding the appropriate amount of water, I pressed the button and waited. It took about 40 minutes, but when I opened the lid, I was greeted with fluffy brown rice that was perfectly cooked. Pros: its compact size is a major advantage for small kitchens, and the one-touch cooking is user-friendly. It's also affordable, making it accessible for many. However, the small capacity might not be suitable for larger families or gatherings. Why buy it? If you're looking for a compact, affordable option that still delivers great results for brown rice, the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want convenience without sacrificing quality. In conclusion, each rice cooker has its strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're looking for a compact model or a multifunctional powerhouse, there's something for everyone. My top pick would be the Cosori rice cooker for its versatility and performance, but don't overlook the others based on your specific needs. Happy cooking!